show you how to achieve waves. Now we're gonna go from this to this hair. So if you want to learn how to create waves using my technique with curling wand, then keep on watching. So the things that you're going to need for this hair tutorial, you need a couple of about 6 or 7 of these clips that you can find online. You need a curling wand tong that has a clip like this. You need a sort of hair oil. I love the Moroccan oil because it doesn't leave oily residue. It just really absorbs and helps to moisturize the ends, especially of your hair. You need the Way Memory Mist. Now this helps to protect your hair from the heat and retains the style for a very long time. And then you need a hairspray. This is Tresemme number 4. It smells absolutely gorgeous and it doesn't really leave your hair sticky or hard rock. It gives it still bounce and flexibility and hold at the same time. Now this is Parween Pro. I bought this from Amazon in the US. I love it because it's ceramic. It doesn't dry out the hair and it retains the moisture as it styles. And it's got a setting up to 410, and that's where I have it at, 410. The coarser your hair is, the higher the temperature you want to go, but if your hair is really fine and thin, don't go past maybe 310. So to start off, I'm going to section out my hair. How I section it off, there is a section in the front here. Top part, I just want to, and it's rough. It doesn't have to be exact, but you just know that the crown of your head is here and you want that hair to be clumped together like this. So you twist it and then you clip it. All right, now we're going to the sides. So we're going to take the edge of this, the top of the crown, and go down behind the ear. You can kind of feel it and then clip it. So it's just right behind that ear, okay? Just where your ear sort of starts. And then just clip this in here. And now you're left with this piece right here. So we're gonna take now the behind your ears and you're just gonna go straight and take half of the hair out. So right there. So now you're just at a diagonal on your hair. So right by the ear is, you're just going around this side. Now you're left with this part here, you're gonna take into 2 sections. So you take one section and then you take the waist spray, make sure you shake it. Now this is not a hairspray, this is just a spray to help protect your hair. So all you need is just a small amount. And this smells like jasmine. And you're just gonna use your fingers to comb through. Now, I don't want the ends of my, I don't want the bottom half of my hair to be too curly, but I do want to give it a bit of a curl. So what I do is, now either I can take this whole section, this is like too thick for it. So I'm going to split this into 2 and clip the top part. I'm going to show you how to curl it. So you're going to take the wand and you're going to take the clip, which is facing down. And you're just going to place it to the edge here. Make sure that your neck is not, it's not touching your neck. Do this very slowly in the beginning. And you're just going to pull this down very slowly till about 3/4. And you're going to open it and you're just going to twist your hair around it and close it. And then now slowly, because it's got this like curl here too, you can curl your hair as you let go. Make sure you leave the ends out and then you just open it and let it go. And now you have a little curl in the end, but kind of smoothed out on the top. And then turn your hair into there, leave the end out, close it, and then just slowly bring it down. A few more seconds, and then let go. And there you have it. And now this side, you're at an angle. So the clip is always down, right? But you're holding your hand at an angle downwards. So you're gonna get it as close to the hair, bring it down really slowly, open it, twist your hair around it, clap it again, and then slowly bring it down. Now what you do is you're gonna turn the wand this way, And as you're bringing it down, you're just gonna glide this and bring it through and let go. And now you have this beautiful curl. So the key is to twist your hand. So as you're first applying, bring this down, right? About 2/3, open the clamp, curl your hair into it, hold the end. And what you do is you can twist the hair now. You can bring this down. Once you've clamped it, you bring it down. And then you're just slowly, you can even bring it up a little bit. And then take the and pull it until you kind of see the edge of this, but not till it disappears. And then just slowly twist it out. There you go. And there you have it. So for the second layer, you're just gonna untie the thing right here. You're just gonna take your finger to sort of the crown and split this into two. So you've got like two portions right here, right? Take the first one, 1/2, and twist it and clip it. So now we're working with this half now, okay? I'll go a little bit higher and take a section out from that hair and then twist this back. Now with this section, you're just gonna spray a little bit. Comb. And you're gonna split this again into two. Take the top part and clip it up. Then take the bottom thirds, tie the hair around it, hold the end and kind of just drag it down very slowly. And then let go. And there you have it. So this is just if you don't want it to be too curly. You just want to curl the end, but you want to keep the top semi-flat. So again, this side is different because it's a different angle. You're going to start at an angle like this, a 90-degree angle. You're going to bring it about 2/3, and then twist it, close it, slowly bring it down, twist your hair this way, and bring it all the way to the edge, and then pull it down. So there. Very slow. I mean, keep counting seconds in your head as you're doing this. And then slowly bringing it out. There you go. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the crown of this part. Split it into two. Get it to the edge. Lift it up. And then you're just going to twist it twice. Leave the end. Twist the top part. And then slowly pull it out. Slowly till you see that curl. Take it as close to the hairline. Pull it down about 1/3. Twist it around. Leave the end out. You can curl it just to the edge. And then you can slowly pull it down. Unclamp this. When you unclamp this, see this one is turning inwards when you pull it down, but if you pull the hair out from the top, it's going to be outwards. See, it's easy. You just have to practice and you have to keep in mind where you are holding this. It took me years to figure this out. So take it slowly, like you're like combing it down. Open it. Put the hair around. Close it. Twist it down. Twist the top. And then slowly undo it. Now the front of the hair is the most important part because you want this to be as smooth as possible. So I've brought a comb just to make sure that I don't have any tangles or knots in there. Now I'm just going to take the waist spray, spray the ends, the root, comb it through one more time. Now we're going to divide it. So you take the center, between your eyebrows, take a line right up and you have keep going into the middle of the hair, and then you got that split. So now you're exactly in the middle. You're gonna take this and you're just gonna clip it because we're gonna work in sections. You're gonna take this and we're just gonna make this into half. So we'll half this out. So now we have two, right? So we're gonna work with this part. So we're gonna clip this and away. So it's out of our way where we have enough room to work with this. I'm just gonna clamp it and bring it down. So that's the difference, okay? And then I'm just gonna twist it, clamp it, twist it till it's about, and then slowly pull it out. Bring it down, twist it, and twist the nozzle till you have about a little bit of the hair, and then just slowly pull it out. I want this to go outwards, so I'm just going to keep the hair out at this angle here. So keep twisting it until you see a little bit of that hair, and then unclamp it. So pull it as you're kind of twisting the hair, and then you're just going to unclamp it, and there you have a perfect curl. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to set this and open it using the spray and the oil. So we are waiting now for all these curls to cool down before we start to open them. And the way we open them, so now that these are cooled down, I'm just going to slowly like squeeze it and pull it. So I'm separating the curls with my fingers. Just slowly, don't rush this because it's just very important to keep things smooth. Just take a curl and kind of just like open it out. Bring this flat part here, just zhuzh it up with your fingers. I'm going to show you the back. Now just to make sure that the ends are nourished, you're just taking a little bit, just a tiniest bit, one drop. Rub it, and just in your fingers like this. You're just going to slowly just scrunch the ends of the hair. You don't want this to go everywhere because this helps with nourishing and the frizz. And usually what we do is we have the ends that are frizzed up a little, so this tames the frizz. And now with the spray, you're just gonna shake the spray. Hold your fingers like this, and then hold your face. Very little. And that's it. Curly hair, bouncy, salon finished hair right in your house. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.